everyone, my name is Chitra and I am going to record about our solar system. Okay guys, I was just saying that let's explore our sun. We are visiting towards it. Okay, sun is a yellow dwarf. Scientists has discovered that. Now let's check the encyclopedia. Its equatorial diameter is 1.39 million kilometer. Mass is 1.9 x 10 30,000 kgs. Galactic center distance is 26,038 light year. Rotation period 25 days. Galactic orbit period 225 million years. Surface gravity 274 ms2. Sun is also referred as a soul. Is the star at the center of the solar system. Sun's mass accounts for some 99.86 of the total mass of the solar system. Composition. Roughly 3/4 of the sun's mass is hydrogen, with the rest mostly helium. Only 1.69% of the sun, which is still 5,628 times the mass of the earth, is made up of heavier elements like carbon, iron, neon and oxygen too. Distance. The mean distance of the sun from the earth is approximately 149.6 million kilometers. 1 astronomical unit. One average, it takes light year from the sun about 8 minutes and 19 seconds to reach Earth. Galaxy. Once thought that the relatively insignificant star and sun is now considered as to be much brighter than how 85% of stars in the Milky Way galaxy is located about 2/3 of the way out from the solar system, the Milky Way. The structure. Photosphere has a opaque layer. Convective zone. Heat circles in a thermal column. Radiative zone. Heat radiates outward. Core. Fusion reactions. Structure. The photosphere is a thin outmost layer of the sun. Below photosphere, the sun becomes opaque. However, the photosphere itself is only slightly less than on air or earth. Convective zone. Thermal columns carry hot material to the surface of the sun. Once the material cools off, it plunges back towards the hot radiative zone. Radiative zone. The radiative zone carries the intense heat of the core outward as thermal radiation, with material rapidly cooling and the density of solar material decreasing at 100-fold from the top of the core to top of the radiative zone. So this was our structure, and now I am going to talk about the core. 99% of all power generated by the sun comes from within 24% of the sun's radius. So this was our sun. Actually, this is a 1 million kilometers we are seeing here, written over here, and 1 AU means this is 10 million kilometers. This is 1 astronomical unit, and see, astronomical unit is ending up at Earth only. This much area. It's ending up at Earth only. At this much. Now let's see what we can see more. So, now I'm going to talk about Mercury. Let's visit. Mercury has a size of a moon only, just little small than moon. Encyclopedia. It has equatorial diameter of 4,879 kilometers. Mass of 3.3 x 1023 kg. Mean distance from Sun 57.9 million kilometer. Rotation period 59 days. Solar orbit period 88 days. It's too much less. Surface gravity 3.7 ms2. Surface temperature 167 C. Temperature day 4703 Celsius degrees. Oh my god. Temperature at night minus 183 degrees Celsius. Mercury is the innermost and smallest planet of the solar system because it has almost no atmosphere to retain heat. Mercury's surface experiences the greatest temperature variations of all the planets. Observation: Mercury appears as a morning or evening star from Earth, but due to its proximity to Sun, it's very hard to see. Still, Mercury can be observed at least twice a year, in spring at dusk or in autumn before dawn. Okay. So now let's check the structure. The crust, surface of silicate rock, mantle, solid silicate rock, and core is molten iron. It's very huge. Structure: the crust is similar is in appearance to that of the moon, like Mars, like planet, plains and heavy, creating a distinctive feature of the surface crust is the night prevents from a numerous uh, narrow ridges which might have formed as Mercury's core and mantle cooled and contracted after the crust and solidified. Core: Mercury has extreme heat density infers that the planet has a large iron rich core with higher iron content than any major planet on the solar system. So today is 2026 August 14:10 p.m. So we have researched about Mercury today. Now let's check about Venus. We are exploring it. Scientists have discovered little of Venus, but this is the orbital area and this is the surface area. Surface is like this, but the orbit is like this. Equatorial diameter 12,104 km. Mass 4.9 x 1024 kg. Mean distance from Sun 108 million kilometers. Rotation period 243 days. Solar orbit period 2225 days. Surface gravity 8.9 ms2. Surface temperature 4602 degrees Celsius. Although Venus has similar size and interior structure as Earth, its volcanic surface and extremely hot and dense atmosphere makes it one most inhospitable places in the solar system. Now we are checking the atmosphere. So this was Venus. We have many planets to explore, but this was just a capture diameter video. So thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our video, and please like it. Just see the part 2. Now it is part 1. See the part 2. Thanks guys.